how's it going out there, everyone? Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use driver identifier. This is a tool where it allows you to go ahead and download your drivers, and it is extremely important to have all of your drivers up to date. That way they can work properly, and obviously your machine is going to work perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? Let's go over to this page, of which, as always, I'll go ahead and provide it to you down on the description, okay? As you can see, this is the driver identifier official page. So let's go ahead and download it. You go ahead and click that blue download button right there, and let's go ahead and execute it. You go ahead and execute it. Let's go ahead and install it. You click finish. This tool does have an option, as you can see right there. If you tick that where it says I do not have internet connection, and it's gonna go ahead and download a log and allow you to go ahead and download the drivers next time. So I'll go ahead and show you the option when you do have internet connection, and then towards the end of the video I'll go ahead and just show you that right there. Alright, so right after you install it, you go ahead and click the green button right there. And right here, it's going to go ahead and give you the driver name, the manufacturer, version, date, and the download option or update. In my case, it only gives me the option to go ahead and update. So I'm going to go ahead and try to update this one right here. You go ahead and click that update, and then it's going to go ahead and give you the driver name where you can go ahead and download it from. And as you can see right there, this info right here, it's the exact same driver. So I'll just go ahead and click that, the first option, and you want to go ahead and make sure you look for this guy right here. Look for the green download arrow. Go ahead and click that right there. And right here, very important, it's only going to ask you for two pieces of information. Your first name, just go ahead and put in a name right there, and an email address. You go ahead and click register. That's it. And now it will give you the option to go ahead and click. It says click here to download from manufacturer server. And right there, see, it's downloading. Now it shouldn't ask you to go ahead and put in your name and an email address for every driver. Sometimes it will go ahead and ask you to go ahead and save the information. So that's only going to be a one-time deal, okay? And that's my driver right there. But I'm not going to go ahead and update my graphics driver right now. So I'll just go ahead and wait till I finish my video, and I'll go ahead and do that. And that's pretty much it right there. Now the part that I wanted to go ahead and show you real quick is the part where if you don't have any internet connection, as you can see that right there, you can go ahead and tick that right there where it says I do not have internet connection. And it's going to go ahead and throw you like a log. You just go ahead and click scan, and it's going to go ahead and ask you where you want to go ahead and save it. There you go, you see that? Let's go ahead and save it on the desktop. That message right there is pretty much telling you that now you can go ahead and copy this log right here onto a USB, or you can just go ahead and leave it right there. Alright, so let's say you don't have any internet connection right that second, but you do want to go ahead and have all of your drivers ready. So when you do have connection, the only thing you do is go ahead and open that log right there, and all of your drivers are going to be ready to go ahead and click download. Now it doesn't say download in my case because I have all of them up to date except a couple. But let's say you have a brand new operating system, freshly installed. It's gonna go ahead and say right here, download, and it's gonna be the same scenario as what I just showed you. You just go ahead and click right here, download or update. It's gonna go ahead and take you straight into the manufacturer's option. You go ahead and download it, install it. That's it. So the driver that I downloaded, which was my graphics card, it's this one right here. So as you can see, it's an official driver. Alright, so there you have it. This is another great tool, driver identifier. Very, very helpful. One of my favorites, and what I like about it is that it downloads all of the drivers directly from the manufacturer's website, as I mentioned earlier. So if you have any questions, comments, let me know. I'll get back to you. So thank you very much.